It is 8 minutes to 7. There's some very good news coming out of a study into children's allergies. Adverse reactions to common foodstuffs can make everyday life very tough for so many children. But a new trial uses everyday foods introduced under medical supervision to help children build up a tolerance to things that previously brought on severe allergic reactions. The study has been funded by the Natasha Foundation, which was established after the death of Natasha Laperouse in 2016 after a severe allergic reaction to sesame seeds baked into a baguette. Around 140 young people have been part of the trial. One of them is 11-year-old Thomas Farmer, who had a severe peanut allergy. He's in our Southampton studio with his mum, Lauren. Thomas, I hope you can hear me. Hello, good morning. How are you?
Hello.
How are you doing?
Good, thank you.
Lovely. You've been taking part in this treatment, haven't you, in this trial? And I think things have got better for you.
It has been amazing.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
How have things changed for you?
It's changed my life.
Because?
It's been managing my allergy and building my tolerance up to the best I can.
Oh, that's fabulous. And what have you had to do? You've been taking, what, tiny bits of peanuts to try and build up the allergy and build up resistance to it, rather?
I've been taking 6 peanut M&Ms.
6 peanut M&Ms. That doesn't sound too bad. I'm going to talk to your mum. Thomas, lovely to talk to you. Lauren, it must be an enormous relief that this allergy is receding.
Absolutely. It's brought down our anxiety levels around food, and knowing that Thomas can now tolerate 6 peanuts a day has taken away some of that worry, and hopefully mean that he'll be able to eat a wider variety of food, as we won't be so concerned around accidental exposure.
Because, it's not just about controlling what goes directly onto his plate. It's also about what might be out there in wider foodstuffs.
Absolutely. And the anxiety around Thomas going to parties, sleepovers, when he's not with us, this has really, really helped to reduce that. And to do this without any medicine, just off-the-shelf products, is truly amazing.
Lauren, Thomas, thank you very much indeed. I want to talk to Professor Hasan Arshad, who's the head of Asthma, Allergy and Clinical Immunology Service at the University Hospital of Southampton. Good morning, Professor.
Good morning.
How does this work?
So the treatment works as what we call an oral immunotherapy. Initially, we assess how much a child can tolerate, which is generally very, very small amount, like 10 milligrams. And then we built it up, gradually increasing the dose over a period of 6 to 8 months until they can tolerate a maximum dose, which is, as Thomas said, around 5 to 6 peanut M&Ms, which gives them sufficient tolerance to go around and eat freely.
Now, this doesn't cure the allergy. People are still allergic to things, but it enables them to live with it. Is that a fair summary?
To some extent, there are varying degrees of responses in individual. So some people can tolerate the maximum amount, or rather unlimited. Others do start to react at some stage where we stop. And essentially, in about 80 to 90% of children giving this treatment, they are able to tolerate sufficient food that allows them to basically eat freely and do not have to worry of these accidental exposure and reactions, which is what they have previously lived with.
And 80 to 90% is, it seems like an astonishing success rate.
Exactly. This treatment has been found to be extremely effective if given in the way that we have designed the protocol. And importantly, it needs to be safe, because these children have been previously reacting to the food, and doing this does have some risks associated with it. And therefore, we have designed a program with other scientists who have been doing this before to develop this as a safe and also effective
It's worth doing a quick "don't try this at home" warning, isn't it?
Exactly, yes. So at the end of this project, we hope to develop detailed guidance as how this can be done under medical supervision in future, and the program can be rolled out in the NHS.
Professor Hasan Arshad, thank you so much for bringing us the good news about your research. It is now 3 minutes to 7.